Lever now.
Oh.
You got some
Are you
ribeye
okay
steak.
with that knife? You okay with the knife?
It's you know,
Just
I know how to use it,
Put it on the steak, man.
and I'm gonna go to the same spot in each of these. You definitely want to go to an edge, right? What you getting?
Good. I mean, it's just good. It just tastes good. But I just like steak, so I can't tell you. It's all about the comparison.
Mm-hmm.
You know, it's once you get something else.
Yep. And this right here, I like a ribeye. I like a fatty steak. That's something I think is my favorite type of steak.
Different. Also good.
I want to think that the difference when I first put it in my mouth is like it tastes saltier, but it's not salty. It's woody.
Oh man. Okay, well.
Just doing a little sniffalificus over here. All right, going with my gut.
Wild card plank in 3, 2, 1.
So we agree this time,
I think that's the cedar because it tasted just like the salmon and super strong.
but not as the salmon really absorbed a lot. The steak didn't absorb nearly as much. It was a lot more subtle, wouldn't you say?
Yeah, but I thought that this one was way stronger than these two. Just
I definitely thought that this was the cedar as well. Were we right?
Well, before I tell you and before you eat more, you have to guess what you think the wild card was. Did you look
Yep.
appropriately at your cinch?
I'm ready.
Wait.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
Red
Hickory.
oak. I said red oak. He said hickory.
Hickory.
The steak cooked on the wild card plank is on plate number 2.
Yes.
The others were grilled straight on the grill
Yep.
and on a cedar plank. And the wild card for this round was hickory.
Yeah, I was picking up on some hickory notes.
I thought you put hickory with pork, not steak. Well, what do I know?
Well, the thing is that, you know, steaks are actually not recommended to be cooked on wood planks at all.
Oh, really?
So it's interesting.
So why did you choose hickory?
Right.
I don't know, man. There's only a certain amount of woods and a certain amount of meats, you know what I mean? Oh, I meant, I really like the hickory notes with the steak.
Pork chops.
Chops. Chop it up. Get yourself an end piece. Not eating any of the fat part, huh? That's a good pork chop.
It is.
Nice and porky.
I'm tasting something on there. Pork.
Nope.
Don't hit me with your knife.
I didn't mean to hit you with my knife. All right, let me get a good cut.
Oh, wow. Okay. I
Hmm.
think I know what that is. It's hard to believe.
I mean, yeah, the fact that they taste different. Like I said, man.
You thought it was a myth?
You know, I thought it would be a little more subtle than this.
Okay. I'm ready.
3, 2, 1.
I think that's the cedar, man. That's
I-
strong.
I thought this one was my favorite.
I thought that one was one without any wood, but I don't know. I feel like my mouth is throwing me off now.
Yeah, I thought that was the plain one.
Okay, now to guess what wood you thought it was.
Okay.
You ready?
Mm-hmm.
3, 2, 1.
Maple.
Interesting. So the wild card pork chop is on plate number 1. The others were cedar and straight on the grill.
Yeah, I knew that was cedar because it's so strong, man.
So why? Let me taste that again. Why did I think?
And then that last one just tasted like pork. It was good. It's not like when I eat pork, I'm missing that there's wood.
Yeah, I totally taste it now. What
The
did I say?
wild card wood was alder.
Oh, well, we would never guess that. I don't even know what that means.
It's supposed to
I
have
thought that's just an old person.
a delicate, earthy taste that pairs well with pork.
It does taste good. If that's what you're after, you made it happen.
Yeah, it's my favorite.
Well, no, you're eating cedar.
Oh, this is my favorite.
That doesn't have anything on it.
Yep, that's my favorite.
Yep.
Hey, give us a James and the Shame update right quick. Your
Well-
alter ego country music singer.
Well, James and the Shames album, Human Overboard, a lot of people asked if there would be a physical release.
Like
And
a vinyl?
I am releasing it physically into the world. Yes, vinyl, cassette, and CD. This is a very small run of
So
these.
hipster of you.
Okay, very small run. I'm going to be signing the first few hundred or so. And so this is a limited pre-order. It's all at jamesandtheshame.com. You can go, and it's only going to be available for, while they're available. I'm only going to make as many as you ask for. And there's also some merch involved, a little merch bundle.
So if you pre-order, you're guaranteed to get it.
Yes.
But then once that window is over,
We'll have a
you
little-
can't order it anymore.
Well, we'll have a little estimate of how many we think people might buy, but it's a limited run, and I'm not making any more. So,
All right.
jamesandtheshame.com. You've been asking about the physical album, and it is coming. It is here.
So we got some veggie skewers to wrap this up, and I've been told with the score of 6-2, it's impossible for you to win.
Yeah, Link, you've really been showing up today.
I'm going to make it interesting.
Oh, thank you.
I can't get this off my finger. If you can guess all three correctly, so not just what you're putting the flag in, and I get it wrong, and then so you're identifying all three,
And guessing the right one.
right? I'll give it to you. See, you're picking the zucchini. No, are you going with a different thing in there? I went with the onion, but I don't know if that's the most strategic thing. Now that I've tasted it. The onion is not telling me anything. Are you learning anything from the zucchini?
I'm going peppers.
I don't like
Wow.
zucchini. That's what I just learned.
This is tough, man.
I'm learning a little bit, but maybe it's because there's so much water in these fruits, vegetables, whatever they are,
These fruits.
that nothing's getting in. Are you tasting a difference at all?
It's much harder to taste than the meat.
Speak up.
It's really hard.
I'm getting nothing from this. I mean, we were on Plank City, just singing the Plank's praises. But I'm telling you right now, don't waste your time on skewering veggies. This is a crapshoot for me.
Okay, all right. I have a guess.
Wild card blank in 3, 2, 1.
Okay, I think this is wild card. I think this is cedar, and I think that this is nothing. That's my guess. I don't have a lot of confidence.
I think that this one is.
Well, hold on. We got to do the 3, 2, 1.
Well, you already said it was.
No, you have to guess the wild card
Guess the
wood.
wild
Oh,
card.
I
said
thought
that
you
one.
were saying that one too. Okay, I'm ready.
3, 2, 1.
Maple.
Avocado wood.
Maple.
Okay, the veggies cooked on the wild card plank were on plate number 3.
Yes, I knew that. That's exactly what I was thinking the whole time.
The others were grilled straight on the grill
Yeah.
Right? Knew
and
that.
on a
too.
cedar plank.
Yeah.
But our wild card plank this round was maple.
Dang! I just completely guessed. It was 50-50.
But yeah, I mean, could you tell when you were grilling this that the veggies weren't happening?
Yeah, I mean, they were happening. I hope you still enjoyed your meal.
They're good.
It
They
might be
taste
because
good.
there's no fat,
Yeah.
actually rendering into it. With every other one, we saw the fat sizzling into the wood. Veggies just, maybe they don't take.
Veggies ain't got fat.
We could add some bacon fat to it if you want.
I gotta say though, get yourself a cedar plank if you're grilling. You need to give it a shot. And then if you want to try one of the other ones, I'm not gonna hold you back.
And Link, congratulations. You win a golden plank.
Oh, can I grill with this?
I would not suggest it.
It's just paint.
Suggestion.
You'll
Yes.
taste it.
Smells like a carcinogen. Thank you.
And thank you for subscribing and clicking that bell.
You know what time it is.
Hi, I'm Joseph. I'm a member of the Mythical Society, 3rd degree,
I'm with him.
and we are debating whether hot dog is a sandwich or pinks. It is time to spin the wheel of mythicality.
Look at that. Look at the mythicality right there.
Uh-huh.
Click the top link to watch us figure out which one of us is the bigger dad in Good Mythical Morning.
And to find out where the wheel of mythicality is gonna land.
Get the vinyl, CD, or cassette release of James and the Shame Human Overboard. JamesandtheShame.com.